to use milice, to use gangs, to use bands. And we can go back to the start of the revolution. The whole 19th century, people took over power, creating bands, creating militia in order to support their power. And this was a fight among Haitian political elite for the whole 19th century. Now, my question is Haiti singular? Is Haiti on the only seat where you see the emergence of gangs and of bandits? And that forced me to go back to Eric Osborne, that wrote a book about primitive rebels, looking at those forms of popular movement that are different than what we know. So it's not singular to Haiti. My question is, why now? Why we have the emergence of those gangs in Haiti? And I don't have time to elaborate more on what people said already, but I think we have to ask the question and compare situations like El Salvador, Brazil, or Jamaica, where you had gangs. And they were able, the whole political system, they were able to at least resolve that kind of crisis. The other thing that I also question is to what extent what the gang do as a practice involve in trafficking of guns, of people, and of drugs. What is the relationship with the globalization? Because Haiti do not create and produce guns. And we know there was an article recently in the New York Times where they said the sources of the traffic of guns was southern Florida and Santo Domingo. So here you have connection with the global. So I think we should not simplify because it is Haiti that we take a position, this is peculiar to this country. No, it is not. And I think we have to put those things into context. I have to go because thank you.
And there was one more question.